If it's growing plenty of leaves, looking healthy, and still refusing to produce fruit, there's a good chance you're making the same mistake thousands of gardeners make every year. Many people respond by watering more, pruning more, or adding more fertilizer, only to end up with an even bigger tree and the same disappointing harvest. What's surprising is that some lemon trees are actually being fed in a way that discourages fruit production. The tree keeps growing, but flowering never reaches its full potential. The good news is that correcting this issue often doesn't require expensive products or complicated techniques. In many cases, a simple, inexpensive adjustment can encourage stronger blooming and give your tree the nutrients it needs to support more fruit. Before you spend another season wondering where your lemons are, there's one thing you need to check first, and it may completely change how you care for your citrus tree. A healthy lemon tree should not spend years producing nothing but leaves. Yet that is exactly what happens in thousands of home gardens every season. Gardeners water faithfully, prune carefully, and even fertilize regularly, but when harvest time arrives, there are only a handful of lemons or none at all. What makes this especially frustrating is that the tree often looks perfectly healthy. The leaves are green, the branches are growing, and there are no obvious signs of disease. One of the biggest reasons this happens is that lemon trees can receive the wrong balance of nutrients. Many gardeners unknowingly encourage leafy growth while limiting the tree's ability to produce flowers and fruit. The result is a beautiful ornamental tree instead of a productive fruit tree. Lemon trees are heavy feeders, but they do not need the same nutrients in the same amounts throughout the year. Nitrogen promotes leafy growth. While nitrogen is essential, too much of it can create a tree that focuses almost entirely on producing new leaves and branches. This commonly happens when citrus trees are fertilized with lawn fertilizers or general-purpose products designed for green growth. Sunlight is another major factor. Lemon trees need abundant direct sunlight to produce strong blooms. A tree growing in partial shade may survive and even look healthy, but fruit production can suffer dramatically. Many gardeners underestimate just how much sunlight citrus trees require. Watering habits also play a role. Lemon trees dislike constantly soggy soil. Overwatering can reduce oxygen around the roots and create stress that interferes with flowering and fruit development. On the other hand, prolonged drought stress can cause flowers and developing fruit to drop prematurely. Age matters as well. Young lemon trees often need several years before they become reliable producers. A newly planted tree may need time to establish a strong root system before directing significant energy toward fruit production. Then there is the issue of phosphorus and potassium. These nutrients are especially important for flowering, fruit set, and overall fruit development. When levels are inadequate, a tree may struggle to produce abundant blooms even if everything else appears normal. One clue that nutrient imbalance may be the issue is excessive leafy growth with few flowers. Another sign is a tree that blooms lightly but drops most of its blossoms before fruit can develop. Some gardeners also notice that their lemons remain small or that fruit production declines year after year despite regular care. At this point, many gardeners assume their tree simply isn't capable of producing well. But in many cases, the real issue is much easier to fix. This brings us to the inexpensive fix that many gardeners overlook. A modest application of a phosphorus-rich amendment such as bone meal or a citrus fertilizer formulated with balanced nutrients for flowering and fruiting can help address one of the most common causes of poor lemon production. Bone meal has been used in gardens for generations. It contains phosphorus, which supports flower formation and root health. When applied correctly, it can help provide the nutrients needed for stronger blooming. The reason this works is rooted in plant biology. Before a lemon can become fruit, the tree must first produce healthy flowers. Flower production requires energy and proper nutrition. When phosphorus availability improves, the tree is often better equipped to support bloom development. Potassium then helps with overall plant health and fruit formation. It is important to keep expectations realistic. If a tree is severely shaded, chronically overwatered, diseased, or simply too young, adding phosphorus alone will not solve the problem. Successful fruit production depends on multiple factors working together. Timing also matters. The best period to support flowering is usually before or during the active growing season when the tree is preparing for bloom production. Applying the fix correctly is just as important as choosing the right product. Start by reading the label carefully and following the recommended application rate. More is not better. Excessive fertilizer can create new problems and may even reduce fruit production. Spread the amendment evenly around the root zone beneath the canopy rather than piling it against the trunk. The feeder roots responsible for nutrient uptake are typically located away from the trunk and closer to the drip line of the tree. After applying the product, water the area thoroughly so nutrients can begin moving into the soil. If you are using a citrus-specific fertilizer instead of bone meal, choose one formulated for fruiting citrus trees. These products usually contain a balance of nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and important micronutrients such as magnesium and iron. Avoid applying large amounts of high-nitrogen lawn fertilizer near your lemon tree. Grass may love it, but your citrus tree may respond with vigorous leafy growth at the expense of flowers and fruit. Another common mistake is expecting immediate fruit. Flowers may increase first. After successful pollination, small fruits begin developing. Depending on climate and variety, it can take several months before lemons reach harvest size. The most productive lemon trees are usually not the result of one miracle ingredient. They are the result of proper sunlight, consistent watering, balanced nutrition, healthy soil, and patience. If your lemon tree has been giving you leaves instead of lemons, a simple adjustment in nutrient balance may be exactly what it needs to start moving in the right direction.